What do a thought experiment about a brain floating in a void and the theory that we live in a simulation have in common? Today, we're going to delve into a deeply intriguing concept from science and philosophy, the enigma of Boltzmann brains. This idea not only questions the very nature of reality, but also directly connects to the simulation hypothesis by challenging our understanding of consciousness and existence itself. If you've ever doubted the solidity of your reality, this concept will take you to a whole new level of reflection. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our deeper explorations into the nature of reality. Prepare for a philosophical challenge and join us on this fascinating journey. To grasp the origin of this concept, we must revisit Ludwig Boltzmann, a physicist who transformed our understanding of the universe with his work in thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. Boltzmann theorized that the universe might be the outcome of random energy fluctuations within a chaotic system. From this perspective, the idea of Boltzmann's brain arises as an extreme extension of these fluctuations. Picture a conscious brain that materializes in the void, without a body or a stable environment, yet holding memories and perceptions of a complex reality. This brain would be a result of statistical probability, emerging from the quantum chaos of a universe lacking a coherent history. The most unsettling aspect is that, according to probability laws, it might be more likely for a conscious brain to spontaneously form in the void than for a complete, ordered, and habitable universe like ours to exist. This presents a profound philosophical dilemma. If our experience of reality could be an illusion created by random combinations, can we trust what we perceive? Now let's take this idea to the context of the simulation theory. According to the philosopher Bostrom, it might be possible that our entire reality is a simulation created by an advanced civilization. In this model, our brains are not physical entities but simulations programmed to experience consciousness within a virtual environment. This hypothesis has a curious similarity to the concept of Boltzmann's brain. Instead of a brain created by chance, our consciousness could be the product of designed algorithms. Both ideas challenge our understanding of reality and confront us with a common uncertainty: how reliable are our perceptions? Bostrom also poses the simulation paradox, according to which, if advanced civilizations create realistic simulations, it is statistically more likely that we are living in a simulation than in a real universe. This connects with Boltzmann's brain. Both a spontaneous brain and a hyper-realistic simulation are unlikely but possible scenarios. A Boltzmann brain is an ephemeral entity that would appear and disappear in a cosmic instant. Similarly, if we are in a simulation, our existence could be equally temporary. The simulators could shut down our reality at any time, leaving us in a state of absolute uncertainty about the continuity of our consciousness. Is reality an illusion? If both Boltzmann brains and simulations are possible, can we be sure that our reality is not a temporary or illusory construct? The philosopher René Descartes stated, "I think, therefore I am." But these theories lead us to question even that premise. What if our thoughts are also a simulation or the result of a quantum accident? Quantum mechanics, with its uncertainty principle, suggests that reality itself depends on observation. Wave-particle duality indicates that subatomic particles behave differently depending on whether they are observed. This opens up the possibility that consciousness, whether simulated or emergent as in the case of Boltzmann's brain, is the result of a quantum collapse. Can we tell the difference? Scientists like Brian Greene and David Deutsch have suggested that we could look for patterns in quantum fluctuations or in the structure of space-time to determine if we live in a simulation. But there's a problem. If we were a Boltzmann brain, our memories and observations could be completely falsified. And if we are in a simulation, our tools could be limited by the rules of that system. If the concepts of Boltzmann's brain and the simulation theory already seemed fascinating to you, wait until you consider the role of artificial intelligence in this debate. In the context of simulations, AI could be both the creator and the observer. Imagine that a sufficiently advanced civilization develops an artificial intelligence capable of creating virtual universes with simulated physical laws. Within those universes, conscious beings could experience entire lives, believing that their reality is the only one. The question is, could those simulated beings come to suspect their condition? In addition, current artificial intelligence is already helping us understand patterns in complex phenomena, such as quantum mechanics and the behavior of the universe. Some experts, such as Elon Musk, have suggested that a future superintelligence could confirm or refute the simulation hypothesis based on anomalies in our reality. On the other hand, if we ourselves are simulations, what role does our own artificial intelligence play in this framework? Could our creations, such as AI systems, be reflections of the original simulators building new realities in an endless loop? This approach opens another dimension to the debate. Are we designed to create new simulations, thus becoming simulators within a broader level of reality? Perhaps AI is not just a tool, but a clue in the enigma of our existence. Both the concept of Boltzmann's brain and the simulation theory challenge us to rethink our existence. If we are the product of a random fluctuation or the design of an external intelligence, the fundamental question remains the same. What does it mean to be real? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you feel more real or more simulated after this video? Perhaps we will never know the complete truth, but the exploration of these ideas might be the closest we get to understanding our own existence.